In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to comment privately in Google Classroom. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to send a message that only your teacher can see. Private comments are great for asking questions about an assignment, clarifying instructions, or letting your teacher know about an issue without posting to the entire class. Start by opening Google Classroom and heading to the home page. This is the main dashboard where you see all of your classes. If you're already inside a class, you can return to home using the classroom menu and then choose the class you want to work in. From the home page, click the class where you need to send a private comment. Once you're in the class, open the assignment you're working on. You might see it in the stream or under classwork. Select the assignment, something like a reflection paper, for example, to open the assignment details. This is important because private comments live on the assignment page itself. On the assignment details screen, look for the area labeled Add Private Comment. It's usually on the right side or near the Your Work section, depending on your device. Make sure you're in the private comment box and not the class comment box. Class comments are visible to everyone enrolled, while private comments are one-on-one between you and your teacher. Click into the Add Private Comment field and type your message. Be specific and polite so your teacher can help quickly. If you're asking a question, mention the part of the assignment you're referring to, for example, the section title or question number. You can also let your teacher know where you're stuck or what you've already tried. Keep it clear and concise and avoid sharing sensitive personal information. When your message is ready, click Send. Your comment is posted privately to the assignment and only your teacher will see it. Your teacher can reply in the same private thread and you'll see their response on the assignment page. Depending on your notification settings, you may also get an alert when they reply. If you need to follow up, just return to the same assignment and add another private comment in the same spot, keeping the conversation organized and easy to track. That's it. Open Google Classroom and go to your class, choose the assignment, use Add Private Comment, write your message, and click Send. With these steps, you can communicate clearly with your teacher right where your work lives, without broadcasting your message to the entire class.